Right now, I am holding one of the most expensive oud oil sample in my hand, and this oud oil, 1 tola or 12-gram bottle costs you $10,000, and I think this one is almost like $300 or $400 just the sample, just few drops. So this is kind of like more than a liquid gold. So this is very expensive, really expensive oud oil called Ertugrul Gazi from Ensar Oud. Ertugrul Gazi was a very famous TV series made on historical events. He was a Muslim fighter, and he actually fought Mongols. Anyhow, so this is the region is Patani, which is basically and distilled in 2017. It's 3 ml small bottle is for $2,500. So this is one of the most expensive. I really wanted to sniff this one. Before this, I have another review which I made for Sultan Qaboos Oud oil, and this is again a rare one. So let's find out how it actually smells, this $10,000 oud oil. So this is a very expensive game. I am very thankful to one of my friends to send me these samples. I think he really deserves a clap, and let's test this. So I'm going to apply very small amount to my right hand. It's herbal, it's airy, it's sweet, it's light, it's delicate, it's very refined. It is not sweet like most of the Thai oud oils. It is kind of like sweet but airy kind of thing, which is not very fruity. Most of the Thai oud oils, if you sniff them, they are very fruity, like jam kind of fruity. It is not jam fruity. Oh, it really smells like a Sri Lankan oud oil. I had Sri Lanka Senko. It is very similar. It has a breezy, sweet, breezy, airy, cool kind of scent that is very similar to Sri Lankan oud oils. Oh, now it is shifting again to Thai profile, which is fruitiness. Oh, it is changing its shape a very very swiftly. Within 5-10 seconds, it shifts to breezy, sweet, and then it shifts to fruitiness. Very lovely, very mysterious kind of oud oil. Oh, it is really relaxing. If you are into anxiety or depression, I think you should start sniffing these oud oils. They are far better than any niche perfume because it has no chemical. For me personally, oud is the best perfume nature has created ever. It has top notes, mid notes, and dry notes. Sweet, airy, relaxing, meditative kind of smell, and it has fruitiness of Thai oud oils, which is very rare. I really love this region, Patani, and there is a matureness which is behind in the back scene. So in the front we have airiness and everything, then in the back it has some dampness and some seriousness there, which is very strange. Very lovely oud oil. I think it would be one of my favorite oud oils. It beats most of the Sri Lankan oud oils I have sniffed. Sri Lanka Senko, they are very great, but I think this one is very lovely. It has some fruitiness which is very rare in breezy kind of oud oils. You can see why I'm sniffing this again and again. I need to sniff, at least I have sniffed like $100 in my nose. Oh, so this is really great. One of the most amazing oud oils I have sniffed till now. So this is Ertugrul Gazi from Ensar Oud. This is 0.15 gram sample. I think it is available in 2 gram, 3 gram bottles right now. And 3 gram is for $2,500. 2 grams is like $1,600 or $1,700. So this is till date, I think, one of the most expensive oud oils I have reviewed. I will meet you in another video. I hope if you have sniffed something similar to this, or you use very high or costly niche oud oils, do let me know. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.